The ASUS ROG NUC 16 Edition 20 pushes compact desktop engineering into unprecedented territory, packing flagship-tier hardware into a tiny 3-liter chassis. However, at a steep $5,999 price tag, it is a specialized machine designed specifically for users prioritizing maximum power density over traditional value. The premium presentation begins with the packaging, which opens to reveal the compact unit alongside a massive 380W power supply utilizing a proprietary plug. The accessory set includes 2 clip-on feet that support both horizontal and vertical desk orientations, keeping the setup minimal and flexible. The exterior strikes a balance between gamer aesthetics and refined industrial design, featuring a toolless front thumbscrew for quick internal access and extensive mesh ventilation. The internal cooling architecture is built around 3 quiet flow fans, a dual vapor chamber, and a dedicated memory fan. This setup increases CPU thermal capacity by 21% and allows the system to dissipate roughly 300 watts of combined CPU and GPU heat under heavy load. The system is configured with top-tier mobile hardware, including an Intel Core Ultra 9 290HX Plus processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with 24 GB of GDDR7 memory, and support for up to 128 GB of DDR5 memory. For storage, it includes a 2 TB PCIe Gen 5 SSD alongside an additional PCIe Gen 4 M.2 expansion slot. Rear connectivity features 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, a Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port, 2 DisplayPort 2.1 ports, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, Intel Killer Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, though rear audio out is notably absent. The front panel offers an additional USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A ports, a 3.5mm combo audio jack, and customizable RGB lighting controlled via Armoury Crate. While the cooling assembly manages to keep acoustic levels relatively low, measuring 35.1 dB at idle and 41.1 dB under full load, the power consumption reflects desktop-class power draw rather than typical ultra-low-power mini PC behavior. It draws 59.5 W at idle and reaches 297.7 W under full load, making it uni-deal for 24/7 home lab operations. Tested with ray tracing enabled, DLSS set to quality, and frame generation off, the system demonstrates impressive gaming performance. At 1080p, Cyberpunk 2077 reached 389 FPS, Remnant 2 hit 217 FPS, Claire Obscura, EXP33 reached 193 FPS, Shadow of the Tomb Raider hit 149 FPS, and Forza Horizon 5 sat at 49 FPS. Moving to 1440p, Cyberpunk maintained 274 FPS, Remnant 2 held at 217 FPS, Claire Obscura reached 156 FPS, and Tomb Raider hit 150 FPS. In synthetic testing, the processor scored 1946 in Cinebench 2024 multi-core and 137 in single-core, outperforming standard thin and light laptop chips by roughly 3x on multi-threaded workloads. For creative workflows in DaVinci Resolve Studio, real-time playback on 1080p and 4K timelines remains completely smooth without scrubbing lag. A 4-minute 1080p timeline render finished in 1 minute and 3 seconds natively, 1 minute and 43 seconds with 2x upscaling, while a 4K render finished in 3 minutes and 48 seconds, 3 minutes and 54 seconds with 2x upscaling. On local AI text inference, the GPU generated 110.22 tokens/SEC on DeepSeek Air 1.05288B and 209.39 tokens/SEC on Gemma 412B. In a 4-image 1024 by 1024 50-step ComfyUI benchmark, the ROG NUC finished in 41.34 seconds, performing nearly identically to an enterprise desktop setup running an Intel Arc Pro B70. Ultimately, the ROG NUC 16 Edition 20 excels at delivering flagship-tier gaming, creator, and local AI performance within a tiny 3-liter footprint, backed by high-speed Wi-Fi 7 and robust vapor chamber cooling. However, buyers must weigh these advantages against its extreme $5,999 starting price, high idle power consumption, conflicting official memory specifications, lack of rear audio connectivity, and limited regional availability.